I'm Jono. 4 email encrypted providers, 1 investigation. Let's go.
4 privacy email providers. Proton Mail complied with over 8,000 legal orders. Tuta's architecture means it cannot help you recover your own account. Skiff Mail was acquired by Notion and shut down. StartMail received 3 legal requests in an entire year. All 4 promised to protect your email from being read by the provider. All 4 used encryption. All 4 had credible technical architectures. The difference is not the encryption. Proton Mail is Swiss, foundation-owned, and offers an ecosystem that covers email, VPN, storage, and a password manager. Tuta is German, founder-owned, and encrypts your subject lines. Skiff was American, venture-backed, and no longer exists. StartMail is Dutch, self-funded, and has been quietly functional for 12 years. Before choosing any privacy email provider, one question matters more than the encryption standard. What happens to your email if the company makes a decision you cannot control? Proton Mail is the only provider in this comparison with a non-profit foundation as its primary shareholder. The foundation's mandate is to protect the privacy mission regardless of what happens to the commercial company. It cannot sell Proton to a buyer with conflicting interests without violating its own purpose. Tuta's founders own their company but have no institutional safeguard against a future change of heart. Skiff had nothing preventing the Notion acquisition. StartMail's founders sold a stake in their search engine to an advertising company, creating a structural concern that the email service has not replicated but cannot fully dismiss. The ecosystem is the broadest in this comparison. AVPN ranked second in the privacy community, encrypted cloud storage, an encrypted calendar, an open-source password manager, email aliases through an acquired service, a bridge application that lets you use Proton with any standard desktop email program, all in a single subscription. Tuta offers email only. StartMail offers email and aliases. Skiff offered email, documents, storage, and a calendar, and then disappeared. For a user who wants to leave a mainstream provider and take their entire digital infrastructure with them, Proton is the only active option that covers everything. The transparency report quantifies the legal reality. Over 9,000 orders received, over 8,000 complied with. Swiss jurisdiction requires foreign requests to be routed through Swiss legal channels. The 2021 controversy proved this protection has limits. The compliance rate proves Proton operates under law. The architecture ensures that what it hands over is encrypted content and metadata, not readable messages. Tuta encrypts more of your email than any other provider in this comparison. Subject lines encrypted by default, calendar events, contacts, inbox rules, and the search index all encrypted. Proton Mail encrypts the body and attachments, but leaves subject lines accessible as metadata. StartMail uses the same established encryption standard as Proton, but with an architecture that gives the server more access than zero-knowledge providers. Skiff encrypted broadly, but the encryption became irrelevant when the service shut down. The post-quantum encryption deployed in March 2024 puts Tuta ahead of every active provider here on forward-looking cryptographic protection. The hybrid protocol combines a quantum-resistant algorithm with classical cryptography. If a future quantum computer breaks the classical layer, the quantum-resistant layer holds. Proton has announced post-quantum work. Tuta has deployed it. StartMail has no post-quantum capability. The zero recovery architecture is both Tuta's strongest privacy commitment and its harshest practical consequence. If your account is compromised and the attacker changes the recovery key, your account is permanently gone. Tuta cannot override its own security because the architecture does not allow it. One day before this research was conducted, a user posted exactly this scenario. Proton offers recovery options. StartMail offers standard account recovery. Tuta offers nothing by design. The same architecture that prevents law enforcement compulsion prevents Tuta from helping you. The founders have run the company from Hanover since 2011 without external investors. The community management failure in 2023, where paying customers were banned for public criticism, is the trust blemish on an otherwise clean operational record. Skiff Mail is the reason this comparison includes the ownership question alongside the encryption question. The product was credible. Encrypted email, collaborative document editing, file storage, and a calendar in a single suite. A modern interface built by Stanford-affiliated engineers. $14.2 million from Sequoia Capital, a former Stanford president, and the co-founder of Yahoo. The encryption worked, the product worked, the investors needed a return. On February the 9th, 2024, Notion acquired Skiff. The service was shut down, not migrated, not continued as a privacy feature inside Notion. Shut down. The initial timeline was 6 months. After community backlash, extended to 12. Users who had chosen a privacy alternative to Notion were told the privacy alternative had been bought by Notion. The community forums were closed on the announcement day. Support became unresponsive. Annual subscribers faced unclear refund situations. The founder joined Notion and later worked on Notion's own email product. Proton's foundation structure exists specifically to prevent this outcome. Tuta's founder ownership with no investors means there is no exit pressure. StartMail's subscription model funds the service without investor timelines. Skiff had venture capital that created the conditions for exactly what happened. The community's lesson was specific. Do not store irreplaceable email at a venture-backed startup. The worst case is not a data breach. It is an acquisition. And the community, 15 months later, was not mourning the product. It was warning each other to check who owns their provider before committing. StartMail is the provider in this comparison that nobody talks about. 3 legal requests in 2025, 0 content disclosed, 12 years of independent operation without a breach, an acquisition, a governance crisis, or a community scandal beyond the start page advertising company connection that does not directly involve StartMail. The native compatibility with standard email programs is a practical advantage that Proton requires a separate application to match, and Tuta does not offer at all. Add the account to your email program and use it. The unlimited alias system is the strongest native offering here. Proton achieves the same functionality through an acquired service. Tuta offers aliases on paid plans. StartMail includes unlimited aliases natively. The encryption architecture is where StartMail falls behind Proton and Tuta. The standard email program compatibility means the server stores content differently than zero-knowledge providers. Proton's architecture ensures the server cannot read stored messages. Tuta's architecture extends that protection to subject lines and metadata. StartMail's model is closer to conventional encrypted email. For users whose threat model is an advertising company scanning their messages, the distinction is minor. For users who need their provider to be architecturally incapable of reading anything, Proton or Tuta are stronger. StartMail has no ecosystem, no post-quantum encryption, and no free tier. It has a sustainable business model, a clean transparency record, and 12 years of not disappearing. If you want privacy and an ecosystem with Swiss jurisdiction and a non-profit foundation that prevents the company from being sold, Proton Mail. Accept that subject lines are not encrypted by default and that over 8,000 legal orders were complied with last year. If you want the most comprehensively encrypted email available with post-quantum protection and an architecture where the provider cannot access your account at any level, Tuta. Accept German jurisdiction, no desktop client support, and the harshest recovery consequences in this comparison. If you want private email that works with your existing email program, unlimited aliases, and a provider that has operated quietly for 12 years without embarrassing itself, StartMail. Accept weaker encryption architecture than Proton or Tuta and the lingering start page advertising company concern. Do not choose Skiff Mail. It no longer exists. But remember why it disappeared. The encryption worked. The product was excellent. The investors needed a return. Before choosing any privacy email provider, ask 3 questions. How long have they been operating? Who owns them? And do those owners have an exit they are working toward? And what happens to your email if the service ends? 4 providers. 1 shut down. 1 encrypts your subject lines, but cannot help you if you lose your key. 1 complied with 8,000 legal orders, but is owned by a foundation that cannot be sold. 1 has been quietly functional for 12 years, but shares founders with a company that's sold to an advertising firm. The encryption matters. The ownership matters more.